Right out of the gate, we want to make it clear, this is a risky venture with high risks and correspondingly high rewards. It involves both lending and a risk of liquidation, so be sure you understand the risks. For some quick background, we'll be looking at Alpha Homora by Alpha Finance, who specialize in cross-chain DeFi and liquidity. They are led by Tasha, and like many recent projects which have been anonymous, and it seems to be a legitimate project. Alpha Homora offers 4 services from the upper tabs on their website. The first, Farm, allows you to leverage your liquidity provider position in several pools at once. Although the project is legit, the risks are still great due to the nature of the project. You're re-leveraging, borrowing capital your liquidity provider position in certain pools. There's not only the normal risk of impermanent loss that we've already covered before, but because you're also borrowing, there's the additional risk of being liquidated due to price fluctuations. To help you better understand the potential dangers, please refer to their protocol risks document before you dive in, including the deep dive at the end for a more detailed risk analysis. This ecosystem also lets you farm alpha tokens, which are listed on Binance and other exchanges, but bear in mind these farm tokens can only be claimable at the end of this farming period in a couple months or so. We will cover all 4 of the top tabs on their website, starting with the Leveraged Farm Protocol. Leveraged farming of Unipool's core product of Alpha Homora, as stated, allows you to leverage your liquidity provider position in certain Uniswap pools, see above. The protocol takes the Uni tokens generated by your liquidity providing and sells them for additional liquidity in the pool. This allows your interest to compound, and you're able to leverage this position for additional interest. The pop-up screen details the various yields and expenses based upon how leveraged you want to be, 1, 2 or 3x. The 1x represents the normal Uniswap APs without any leverage. You may ask, why would I do 1x, and not just enter the Uni pool instead? Well, this will automate the selling of Uni tokens to increase your position, so that's handy. But if you move it up to 2x or 3x, you'll see the yield farm AP, the trading fees AP and also the borrowing interest AP, paid by you, all increase by that factor. There is utility in using this service even without the leverage, but that's its real distinctiveness. There is a min. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.